Hello there guys, so today this is the second part of the video that I was telling you about last week. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'm starting it where I left off last time, so enjoy! Oh. I don't know if I'm willing to do that. Because this one's a list pet. I think it's a tier 2 list pet, and it's one of my favorite pets ever. And then this one also has a lot of demand. I'm not sure. That would be really fair, but for me personally, I think I prefer the dragon over that guy. So, let's see. Try doing this guy. And from where? Oh, that's the chicken dollar store. My bad. For trade. Oops, I was just in this group. Oh my goodness. Rares. Okay. Let's see. There we go. We'll do this guy. Would this work for you instead? Fortunately, prefer both of my pets over the wolf. Okay. Let's take a look at some other people. Wild Doggo. See what you got, Wild Doggo. Ooh, look at that. The dragon cat. I can't believe that this has so much demand. I got mine for a really good deal. And I got it like 4 years ago? 5 years ago? Oh my goodness, I've been playing ChickenSmoothie for 6 years. It'll be 6 years this year. That's crazy. Maybe I'll just try for a lion or something. Maybe it depends what I have on their wish list. Ooh. Lots of very rares. Okay, let's see. Nothing that would be fair to them. Okay, maybe I'll just leave this. One pet for your 23. I don't know, because this is an older rare. I don't like trading that many rares for a pet that I already have so many of. Switch this up. Definitely like their squids. These guys are cute. So cute. Gonna have to remove them though. Okay. So technically I believe a 2010 rare equals a 2018 very rare. It might even be later than that because I remember in 2015, the 2015 store pets were worth a 2010 rare. So I guess that people have just kept saying that it was worth 2010 rare. But this is 2012. This is 2018. So this alone might even be worth this. But I'll offer this and see what they think. Would this work for you instead? Sugar cute. Honestly, I don't know how much. Well, I guess there is a little bit of an age gap here because that's February. I mean January, not February. So I guess I will pay a little bit of chicken dollars, but when I say high demand, I think that this has higher demand than, you know, a just regular 2009 very rare dog, maybe. But since this is a sitting cat already, it's kind of like sitting cats have a lot of demand. I'm not sure how much demand this guy has, but let's see. I'll do 10 chicken dollars. How's this instead? Okay. 109. They want chicken dollars. Okay. Sure, I will trade you. Oh, I'm so bad. I don't ever look at anyone's rules, like trading rules. Oh. These are not on my wish list. Okay, maybe I'll just look at the trade. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, let's try for this guy. I have a lot of sitting cats. Need to get rid of some of them. Ooh. Let's try this guy. And someone else, because there's an age gap there, technically. Let's see. What do I have? Oh, I am definitely not adding any of these, unfortunately. Okay. This it wasn't like for, ah, man, it was for Wishlist Pets. Oh, okay. Not the rats. Not the rats. Oh no. I have so many of these animals. I've been trying to get the white mock dragon for a long time and I can't seem to get it and I don't know why. What do you have? What do you have? Let's see if he'll do it for this guy. And this guy. And this guy. Would you be willing to do this instead? Oh, this person has a really good chicken dollar store too, so we can check that out real quick. I can't remember if I'm their friend or not. I think I am. Store pets. Store pets. Okay. For sale and trade. Okay, so rares and very rares. I love these horses so much. Okay, let's see if I can trade another pet for this. Where's... Let's see. I'm sorry. I have so many of these guys. Let's see if I can. Would this work for you? Oops. For you. Not a sad face, happy face. Okay. So cute. Lions are so cute. Arg. This. Yours is a true date, isn't it? The cat. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's from Christmas of 2009. Alrighty. Well, I guess I can try one more time, see if anyone reacts to my topic. My topic is really just to get trades. It doesn't matter if people want to pay me chicken dollars for the pets. Also, I guess while we're waiting for this, I can give you guys updates on the things that I've done in previous videos, such as like the collecting of 10,000 guinea pigs. Just to kind of show you guys where I'm at right now. I'm at 954 pets out of 10,000. I need to rename it. 954. 954. 954. Okay. I just have to change that right there. Oh, I should have moved the other pets in there first because I have some in my unorganized group. Okay, so these guys, I've got a lot of them. And then I have, let's see, I have 43 cows. I'm just kind of collecting them. It doesn't matter how many I get because they're adorable. 13 out of 100 of these guys. Actually, I might change this to 20 just because I don't need 100 of them. I have 100 of these guys. They're the cutest rats on this game. I have 13 of these guys. I've actually been collecting these for a really long time. It was like maybe the first year that I was playing Chicken Smoothie, I've started this. So, I think it started with this guy. Because Old Duke, I originally got just because he looked like my great aunt's horse, who is one of my favorite horses of all time. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. That's a crazy deal. Wow. Wow. How did I get this guy? Or gal? I named it Luna because my little sister's horse passed away and her name was Luna. She didn't really look like this, but that's why I put angel wings on her because, yeah. So how did I get this guy? Pretty easy. Pretty fair. Moondoggy is the name of one of my great uncle's horses growing up that I, for some reason, really fell in love with, even though I never met it at the horse. I just like the name. That's a good trait for it, though. Right? Let's see what's going on here. X-Man. Like the Lion War. That's understandable. I understand that. Alright. Well, I really should have put these guys in there before I changed the name. But it is what it is. I'll change it again someday. I'll put this guy in my favorites group because he's kind of cute. Or she. Whatever. Okay, favorites. Oh, I want to show you guys something. Okay, so I listen to music sometimes when I play Chicken Smoothie. And I was listening to a song the other day. It's called I Know by Big Daddy Leave. And I was just kind of decorating one of my pets to the music. And so I decorated this pet, which really wasn't too much that I did to it, but I thought it was so, like, neat. Just kind of like the part of the song that I was listening to when I decorated this pet was the bridge. And the bridge goes, on my darkest day, in my deepest pain, through it all, my heart will choose to sing your praise. So I just thought that this dog was perfect for that because it looks like he's howling or singing, you know. So on my darkest day and in my deepest pain, that's what it's a sweat drop technically, but I made it a teardrop. Through it all, I will sing your praise. So I didn't realize that this pet had a rainbow around it. And I thought that was so neat. So that's what I did the other day. Just dressed the pet as I was listening to a song. If you guys want to listen to the song, go ahead and put it in the description because it's a really good song. It's one of my favorites right now. Oh, but I couldn't not show you that. And then this guy was from a friend who I was friends with, and they quit ChickenSmoothie, so they gave me all these pets. So I took one to dedicate to them. And I'm pretty sure I traded these guys away for, or I gifted them away. I don't think I put a lot of them in my trade group. And then I just love these guinea pigs so much. They're so cute. And I didn't even get good trades for them. I just randomly got them in trades. Fair trades. Because they're so adorable. You can't not love them. So none of these guys really have much symbolic meaning to why they're dressed the way they are. This guy should not even be in here because he's an uncommon. This is for my rares and above. This guy, it was a fair oh wait, was this the trade that you guys? No. So that's crazy. That's a crazy trade. Look at that. That's a re-release. True date. And then on top of that, a rare. Wow. So I just stuck him in my favorites group because it's a good looking dog. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video because nobody's sending me trades and I don't really have anything else to really show you guys. I think I kind of updated you guys on everything that I can remember on the top of my head. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you guys in the next one.